Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into my Roth IRA and have a look at it and see how it's been performing during these recent times. Let's record a screen and have a look at it. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, here we are in my Roth IRA, 8:15 in the morning here in China. Right now, my balance is $59,000. $59,059. I got $25,263 in cash. Let's view all the positions. So my only two single stocks that I'm holding are RGTI and Spaghetti and SoundHound. So this is a quantum computing and AI play. At one time, this Spaghetti play was up like 300%. And I took all my money off the table. So this is all house money that I'm playing with. But I got 70 shares. SoundHound, same thing. I had more shares of this, and I took my initial investment out. It was up like 100%. I took my money out and just house money now, so it doesn't really matter to me what it does, to be honest with you. But I'm holding on to it because I believe in these in the long term. And if I get a really good buying opportunity, I'll probably add to them again, but not right now. Go down here. Here's my ETFs. I've got WPay, which is the round hill like basket of single leverage stocks. This is just the only income play that I have here because I want income to be able to buy more stocks once I max this out, which this is maxed out. I can't add any money to this Roth IRA until next year. So every year, like once it gets reached the max limit, at least I have income coming in that I can use each and every single week to buy more stocks. So that's why I have WPay here. And plus WPay is not capped to the upside, so it can go up if the market decides to go up. So we have some upside potential that's not capped, and weekly pay. So other than that, I've got SCHG, which is U.S. large cap growth stocks, 320 shares. SCHB, which is the overall stock market. It's just basically the same thing as like a VTI. You're basically buying the whole stock market. 380 shares of that. Now get SWVXX, which is $10,000 there. It's just a money market fund, 4% annual yield, pays every single month. And then I've got $15,166 in cash, which to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to be using it anytime soon. So I may just go ahead and put this into SWVXX as well and get even more interest on my cash just to protect it for now. So that's what I have. And that's what's, what I've been doing here in this portfolio. Nothing really crazy going on because this portfolio is quite stable because most of my money is in the index, which I've preached about on my other channel because due to the, volatility and things like that, like I just want most of my money in the index. So it just helps me sleep better at night. So really fast, I'll show you guys what this looks like. See, 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, here's my spreadsheet for my Roth IRA. You can see all the positions here on the left and all that stuff. I share this with you guys every video, so you guys know. Let me see. Let me get over here and make it bigger so you can see it for those of y'all who are looking on your phone or something. Okay, so there we go, Rigetti at the top. Put the blue box on it there. See, we're positive across the board on everything. 112% total return. It was like 290, almost 300. But it's getting beat up lately. WPay, you can see it was negative across the board. This is a new position though. And actually I swapped my XDTE. I had XDTE here also, and I swapped it for WPay because I wanted more upside growth potential. Because this is a Roth IRA and I can't touch it for like 17 years. So I thought, we'll get more upside instead of a standard covered call fund. SCHB, you can see here we're almost 8% there. It's came down a little bit. SCHG, 9%. This also came down a little bit. It's been getting beat up lately, but we're still positive all across the board and everything here in this portfolio, except for this WPay fund, which if tech can bounce back, I think this fund will do okay. It's very, very tech heavy. So I'm not too worried about that really, to be honest with you, because it's paying me money and it can go up because it's leveraged to the upside. So it's leveraged to the downside too, but Yeah, it can go up, so I'm not too worried about it, to be honest, because there's not much money there, and I'm not like putting a bunch of money in it. All my money's going here in SCHG and SCHB. So yeah, no big deal. Really quickly, I'll show you where's it at? My dividend log, if I can find it. There it is. So actually, I don't think I added to this. Let me check. So it says right here 260, but I don't think that's right. Let me check my history here, because I think I received more payments than I didn't. Or is that right? No, that's right. So far this month, I've received $260 from WPay, and I will get 2 more payments this month. So probably similar amount, another 260, 250, something like that, I'm guessing. So about $500 for the month is what I should get in dividends in this portfolio that I can use to buy more stuff. So I'm okay with that. So that's the Roth IRA, and that's what I have. I'm not really looking at making any changes in this portfolio. Just leave it like it is. If something like the overall market has a huge drawdown or a huge pullback, I will add to it, like my SCHB. But other than that, I'm not looking to really add anything here. Probably just put some more money into SWVXX and hold on to it for a bit. So yeah, that's my plan. That's what's going on there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.